서른다는 걸 알아 진심을 말해줘 결국
One, two, three, funk it. So hi guys, this video is all about balancing chemical equations. So the first thing you must do is to take an inventory of each atom on the reaction arrow. So in the reactant side, the carbon is 1, the hydrogen is 4, and the chlorine is 2. And so the product sign, the carbon is 1, the hydrogen is 1, and the chlorine is 5. Now, why 5? Because it's 4 plus carbon 1, it's 5. So the next thing is you must the next thing is to balance this. So carbon and the reactant on the product sign are balanced. So next, the hydrogen, we must balance it. So to balance it, we must put a coefficient in front the HCl. So the atom is also changed. So as you can see, the carbon and the hydrogen are now balanced on the left side of the reaction arrow and the right side. So the last one is the chlorine. We must also balance it. So we must add a coefficient here in front of the Cl2 so that it will become 8. And now these are now correctly balanced. So here's the second example. So notice that the carbon on the left side is 3, so we must need the carbon here, we must need it to be 3, so we must add 3 here because it is only 1. And then so the carbon is now balanced. And the second one is the hydrogen. So hydrogen here is 8, and it's only on the left side, and the right side is only 2. So so 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we must put 4 here in front the hydrogen. And now the last one is the oxygen. So let's find the oxygen. And so the carbon, now the oxygen here in the 3CO2 is 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. And here the oxygen here on the water H2O is, we must put 1 here, it's 4. So the oxygen is 10 here. So what number we must put? So the right side oxygen is 10, and the left side is 2. So what number we must put in the left side so we make it 10? So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we must put the 5 here in the front side of the oxygen. So 5 times 2 is 10. So it is all now balanced. The carbon is 3, hydrogen is 8, because the right side and left side is 8, and the right side is 4 times 2 is 8, and the oxygen is also balanced. Then that's all for this video. Thank you.